28 million views, one channel, 5-minute video, no face, no camera, no expensive software, just this.
The market was almost empty. Dust settled on bare wooden stalls. The sun hung low, painting long shadows across the cracked stone path. An old woman walked slowly between the stalls. Her basket swung loose at her side. Inside it, one onion, a small handful of rice, and a single wilted carrot. She stopped at the last stall. The seller was already packing away his crates. "Is there anything left?" she asked. He shook his head. "Only scrap. Take them if you like." He handed her a few bruised tomatoes and a heel of bread. She placed them gently into her basket, as if they were treasures. She walked home along the narrow path, past fields turning gold in the fading light. Her steps were slow, but her back stood straight.
That video you just watched, I made it myself. One AI tool, completely free, and it took me less time than you think. That is paper cut animation, and right now, it is one of the most viral styles on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram combined. One channel posted a single video in this style, and it hit 28 million views. Not subscribers. I don't like it. Views. On one video. And here's what makes this insane. Almost zero creators are making this style right now. The competition is basically non-existent, which means if you start today, you are early, and being early on a trend like this is everything. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process I used to make what you just watched. Using 100% free tools, no design skills, no experience needed, story niche, motivational, finance, horror, doesn't matter. Any niche works with this style. You've already watched this far. You're literally 30 seconds into the video. The people who bounce right now are the same people who complain that YouTube doesn't work for them. The people who stay till the end are the ones who actually blow up. Which one are you? Don't skip, don't fast forward. Let's go. Now before we build anything, let me show you exactly why this works. Look at this channel. Motivational story videos, simple images, basic editing, and they're pulling 1.7 million, 1.2 million, 1 million views. Video after video after video. But here's what's crazy. These videos are not even paper cut animation. They're just flat images stitched together. That's it. That's all they're doing. Now imagine taking that same content, same story, same script, and making it 10 times more cinematic with paper cut animation. Same niche, but your video looks like nothing else in the feed. That's the unfair advantage we're building today. So let's start with step 1, the script. Every great paper cut video starts with a great story, and you don't need to write it yourself. I've built a specific prompt that does this for you. It generates 10 viral topic ideas in seconds. Comment prompt below and I'll send it to you right now, free. And if this is helping, smash that like button. Let's go. Got it? Good. Copy prompt number 1 completely. Now head over to Claude AI. Now paste that prompt exactly as it is. Don't change a single word. Hit generate. Just like that, 10 ready-to-use video ideas. Pick the one that feels right to you. We're going to take that idea and turn it into a full script in the next step. You've got your 10 topic ideas on screen. Find the one that excites you most. Copy it. Now paste it straight back into the prompt box. Either the topic number or the full title, doesn't matter. Hit generate. Here's where it gets good. Claude is going to ask you one question. How long do you want your video? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you decide. Just type it in and hit generate. And just like that, your complete script is ready. Word count included. Everything laid out, scene by scene, ready to record. Now copy that entire script. Open a fresh Google Doc and paste it there. Don't skip this step. We're coming back to this doc in every single step that follows. It's your home base for this entire video. Script done. Google Doc saved. Now let's build the visuals. Go to tab 2 in your Google Doc, the one I've provided in the description. This is where prompt number 2 is sitting. Copy the entire thing, every single word. Don't miss anything. Now go back to Claude AI, same chat where we generated the script. Paste prompt 2 in the box. But before you hit generate, look carefully at the prompt. You'll see it says, paste your script here. That's exactly what you do. Copy your full script from the Google Doc and paste it right there inside the prompt. Now hit generate. Just like that, Claude has broken your entire script into a complete storyboard. Scene by scene, image by image. Every single shot is described in detail. Now here's the important part. Copy the entire storyboard output. Not half of it, not most of it, all of it. Because if even one line is missing, your images won't generate correctly. Select everything and copy. Now open Google Flow, click New Project, hit the Settings button at the bottom. Here's exactly what you set. Aspect ratio, 16:9. Model, Nano Banana. Number of images, your choice. Now paste the storyboard Claude gave you directly into the prompt box. Hit Generate, and wait. Look at that quality. These aren't stock photos. These aren't random images. These are cinematic, story-accurate visuals, generated in seconds, perfectly matched to your script, and we haven't even added the paper cut animation yet. This goes to a completely different level. Stay with me, because the next step is where your video actually comes alive. First storyboard image is done, and look at it, that quality, from a free tool, in seconds. Now here's how you handle the rest. Pick whichever image you like best. Click the three dots, hit Add to Prompt. That image is now locked in as your visual reference, and Google Flow will use it to keep every single image consistent throughout your entire video. Same style, same feeling, scene after scene. Now go back to Claude AI. Same chat, just click Next and hit Generate. Claude will instantly write you the complete detailed prompt for your next storyboard image. It handles everything: the scene description, the mood, the composition. You just copy it, paste it into Google Flow, and generate. You keep repeating this cycle until every scene is done. Now here's the math so you know exactly what to expect. If you choose a 2-minute video, you'll generate 2 storyboard images. 5-minute video, 5 to 6 images. Claude tracks this automatically and tells you when your storyboard is complete. Every scene, every shot, done. But right now, these are just flat images, beautiful ones, but flat. And this is the moment everything changes. This is the step most people don't know exists. And this is exactly what makes paper cut animation look the way it does. Here's what you do. Take your first storyboard image. Click the 3 dots, hit Add to Prompt. It uploads automatically as your visual reference. Now click Settings. This time, switch from image to video, then set these exact values. Aspect ratio, 16:9. Model, Omni Flash. Duration, 8 to 10 seconds. Number of videos, 1. Now open your Google Doc. Go to tab 3. This is your paper cut animation prompt, the one that tells the AI exactly how to move, layer, and animate your image like a real paper cut video. Copy the entire prompt, every word. Go to Claude AI. Paste that prompt into the chat box. Now look inside the prompt. You'll see it says paste your storyboard prompt here. Scroll up, copy your storyboard prompt, and paste it right there inside the box. Hit Generate. Claude will now create your first animation prompt, a detailed, ready-to-use video generation prompt built specifically for your scene. Now here's something important to understand before we continue. Each storyboard image you generated, it actually contains 6 panels inside it, 6 separate scenes, and each one of those panels needs its own animation prompt and its own video clip. So Claude has already given you the first prompt. Copy it, go to Google Flow, keep all your settings exactly as they were, 16:9, Omni Flash, 8 to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt in the box, hit Generate, and wait. Your first clip is ready. Beautiful. Now here's the repeat cycle. And once you get the rhythm, this goes fast. Click Reuse Prompt above the video. Your prompt box still has the old prompt in it. Delete it. Go back to Claude AI. Type one word, Next. Claude instantly writes the animation prompt for your second panel. Copy it, paste it into Google Flow, generate. Repeat this for all 6 panels. One by one. Claude writes the prompt, Google Flow makes the video. You keep going until all 6 clips from Storyboard 1 are done. Then upload your second storyboard image into Google Flow as the new reference and run the exact same cycle again for all its panels. And don't worry about running out of credits. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every single day. That's more than enough to generate 4 to 5 complete videos daily. By the time you're done, every panel, every scene, every storyboard is now a moving, cinematic paper-cut animation clip, ready to edit. We are so close now. The next step is where we bring every single clip together, add the voiceover, add the music, and turn this into a complete video ready to upload. And this part, easier than you think. Let's go. All your clips are generated, every single panel, every single scene. Now download them one by one from Google Flow, straight to your device. Now, the voiceover. Go back to your Google Doc, copy your complete script, the one we generated at the very beginning, every word. Now open ElevenLabs. The link is in the description below. It's completely free. You get 10,000 credits just for signing up. No credit card, nothing. Log in, go to the text-to-speech section, paste your script in the box. On the right side, you'll see a full library of AI voices. Click through them, preview them. Pick the one that feels right for your video. Serious, dramatic, calm, energetic. Whatever matches your content. Found it? Hit Generate. Your voiceover is downloaded. Professional, clear, done. Now open CapCut. The link is also in the description. Click Import and bring in everything. Your animation clips and your voiceover file. All of it in one place. Here's the exact editing order. Follow this precisely. First, drag your voiceover to the timeline. Let it sit there as your foundation. Every clip gets built around it. Second, bring your animation clips in one by one. Line them up to match the voiceover. Scene 1 plays while Scene 1 is being narrated. Scene 2 plays with Scene 2. You get the idea. Now, if any clip runs longer than the voiceover at that point, trim it. Keep everything tight. No dead air. No awkward pauses. One more thing. If you're using background music, drop the music volume down to -20. Your voiceover needs to sit on top clean and clear. Music is just the atmosphere underneath. Now add your transitions between clips. Keep them smooth, nothing too flashy. This is a cinematic paper cut video, not a TikTok meme edit. Simple cuts and clean fades work best. Play through the whole thing once. Watch it end to end. Make sure every scene matches the narration. Make sure the energy feels right. Happy with it? Hit export. Your finished paper cut animation video saves straight to your device. And just like that, you have a complete, cinematic, scroll-stopping paper cut animation video, built from scratch, with free tools, from nothing.
Dawn light crept through a cracked window. Lynn sat hunched over a worn wooden desk. Papers covered every inch of the surface, each one marked with red ink, each one marked with the same word, fail. He rubbed his tired eyes. The exam was 2 weeks away. His 99th attempt lay crumpled beside his elbow. Outside, his father's voice drifted through the door. Another year wasted, he told a neighbor. He didn't know Lynn could hear. Lynn's hand trembled over his brush. He almost set it down. He almost gave up. Instead, he picked up a fresh sheet of paper.